Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of yoga to explore 5 powerful poses that can help us manage and even help control diabetes. Remember, it's not just about the poses themselves, but how we breathe and connect with our bodies throughout the practice. If you're new to yoga, don't worry. We'll move slowly and mindfully, paying attention to what our bodies need. And if you're a seasoned yogi, I encourage you to approach this practice with a beginner's mind, finding new layers of awareness and connection within each pose. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to managing diabetes and reaping the benefits of yoga. So, let's roll out our mats, find a comfortable seat, and begin our journey towards greater health and well-being together. We'll begin standing, feeling the ground beneath our feet. Bring your big toes to touch, heels slightly apart. Lift and spread your toes, rooting down through all 4 corners of your feet. Feel that grounding energy travel up through your legs, lengthening your spine. Gently engage your core, drawing your navel towards your spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, letting your arms hang naturally by your sides. Turn your palms to face forward, feeling a gentle opening in your chest. Take a deep breath in, lengthening through the crown of your head. As you exhale, relax your jaw, letting your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Soften your gaze, finding a point in front of you to rest your eyes. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the strength and stability of the mountain within you. From mountain pose, slowly come to sit on your mat with your legs extended forward. If you feel any tightness in your hamstrings, feel free to bend your knees slightly or place a blanket under your seat. Inhale, lengthen your spine, reaching your arms overhead. As you exhale, begin to hinge at your hips, walking your hands down your legs. Find a comfortable stretch, allowing your head to release towards your shins. With each inhale, feel your spine lengthen. With each exhale, soften a little deeper into the pose. Remember, this isn't about forcing your body into a shape, but rather finding the space where you feel a gentle stretch. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths, visualizing the pose stimulating your pancreas and promoting healthy digestion. Chapter 3. Boosting Circulation Bow Pose or Dhanurasana. Gently release from your forward bend and lie down on your stomach. Bend your knees, bringing your heels towards your glutes. Reach back with your hands and grasp the outside of your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest and thighs off the ground, drawing your shoulder blades together. Keep your gaze slightly up, lengthening through your neck. Feel a gentle opening in your chest and shoulders. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch across your chest and abdomen. Imagine your breath flowing freely, improving circulation throughout your entire body. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths, then gently release on an exhale. Rest for a moment on your stomach, feeling the effects of the pose. Chapter 4. Finding calm legs up the wall pose or Viparita Karani. From lying on your stomach, gently roll onto your side and scoot your hips close to a wall. Swing your legs up the wall, coming to lie on your back. Adjust your position so that your sit bones are close to the wall and your legs are extended upward. Relax your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow yourself to fully surrender to the support of the wall. Feel the gentle inversion relieving stress and tension in your legs and lower back. This is a deeply restorative pose. Allow your breath to slow down and deepen. Let go of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in this moment. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, enjoying the calming and rejuvenating effects of this pose. Chapter 5. Nurturing Digestion, Child's Pose or Balasana. When you're ready, gently slide your legs down the wall and come to lie on your back. Hug your knees into your chest and give yourself a little squeeze. Then, roll onto your side and come to sit on your heels. Widen your knees slightly wider than your hips and fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down. If you prefer, you can also bring your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes and surrender to the gentle pressure on your abdomen. Feel the pose aiding in digestion and calming your nervous system. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to fully relax. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths or longer if it feels good. Allow yourself to be nurtured and restored in this gentle pose. And there you have it. 5 powerful yoga poses to help you on your journey with diabetes management. Remember, these poses are just a starting point. The true magic happens when we approach our practice with consistency, patience, and self-love. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and yoga routines. Share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep shining your light. Namaste.